Over nearly 50 years as a medical doctor and yoga therapist, I've discovered that true healing requires us to look beyond symptoms to understand the deeper architecture of our minds and consciousness. Sāṃkhya. It's the oldest and most fundamental of Indian philosophical systems. It provides the theoretical foundation for yoga therapy and all major schools of Indian thought. It dates back over 4,000 years and offers a sophisticated map of human consciousness, precisely describing how the universe and human experience arises from the interaction between pure consciousness and primordial matter, between Purusha and Prakriti, or Shiva and Shakti. Sāṃkhya has revolutionized how I practice medicine and help people to heal. It's a practical framework for transformation that has withstood the test of time. And when it's paired with modern medical understanding, it provides a really comprehensive approach to mental health. So why is Sāṃkhya so important and so significant? Well, imagine trying to treat a disease without understanding human anatomy. Sāṃkhya provides a detailed map of how our consciousness, mind, and emotions work. It's not just theory, it's not just intellectual. It is an empirical philosophy that you can test and verify through your own experience, especially through meditative self-reflection. Think of Sāṃkhya as a mirror that reflects the workings of your mind back to you. And through this lens, you can see how your mind operates, what patterns drive your behavior, and most importantly, how to transform mental suffering into clarity and purpose. For example, when someone seeks help for their depression, it's important not to just see a chemical imbalance that requires medication. We need to see the whole person, which includes their mind, emotions, soul, spirit, and consciousness. And through the Sāṃkhya framework, we can comprehend how their consciousness has become obscured by something that's called tamas in the ancient Sanskrit. The word means, in this context, it refers to inertia, ignorance, decay, encompassing old, undigested emotional traumas, repressed emotions, adverse child experiences, trauma, abuse, neglect, negative self-beliefs, and many more things like unprocessed grief and loss or poor lifestyle choices. The beauty of this system is that it empowers people. You're not just a passive recipient of treatment, you become an active explorer of your own consciousness, and you learn to see how your mind works, you understand its patterns, and gain the tools to create positive change. My approach works in this way. It works with ego, soul, and spirit and consciousness. And when people understand the map of their own consciousness and gain the tools to work with it, remarkable healing becomes possible. Now, if you're interested in learning more about this approach, please visit Big Shakti and explore our workshops.